typing in WordPad. Hi children, you learned about keyboard in the previous chapter. Now let us practice the keyboard using a program called WordPad. Introduction to WordPad. A WordPad is a word processing program that is used for typing in computer. You can type letters, words, sentences and numbers in it. WordPad can make your document more beautiful and attractive. Starting WordPad program. To start WordPad, follow the steps as given below. Click on Start button. The Start menu will appear. A list of all applications appears on the left. You can scroll down to see Windows accessories. Click on Windows accessories. Click on WordPad. The WordPad program will appear in front of you. WordPad window. After opening the WordPad program, the following WordPad window will appear. Title bar. Title bar is located at the top and shows the name of the displayed document. Quick Access Toolbar. It displays quick access buttons for save, undo and redo commands. File menu. It displays a drop-down menu of file commands such as New and Open. Tabs. Home and View are two tabs in WordPad. Ribbon. It displays groups of related commands in tabs. Each tab offers shortcut buttons to common tasks. Cursor. It is a vertical flashing line on the screen where you type the text. Working with WordPad. Entering text using keyboard. With the help of the keyboard, you can enter the text in the WordPad. To enter the text, follow the steps given below. The text you type will appear where the cursor blinks on WordPad screen. Type the text for your document. When you reach the end of a line, WordPad automatically sends the text to the next line. You need to press the Enter key only when you want to start a new paragraph. Selecting text. Before performing any task in WordPad, you must select the text you want to work with. Selected text appears highlighted on your screen. Select a line. Click on the white space to the left of the line to select the line. Select a word. Double-click on a word to select it. Select a paragraph. Triple-click on a paragraph to select it. Long selection. Drag the mouse until you highlight the text you want to select. Bold, italic, and underline text. You can use bold, italics, or underline feature of WordPad to make your text
dark, slant, or underline.
Select the text you want to change to a new style. Click on Home tab. Click on the following options: bold, italic, underline. To remove the style, repeat the steps 1 to 3. Changing font style. You can apply different style to text by choosing the different font. Select the text, click on Home tab, click on Font Style option. Font menu appears. Click on the desired font. the text changes to new font. To deselect the text, click outside the selected area. Changing font size. You can increase or decrease the size of text to make it more readable according to your need by choosing different font sizes. Select the text, click on Home tab, click on Font Size option. Font size menu appears. Click on the desired size. The text changes to new size. To deselect the text, click outside the selected area. Changing font color. You can change the color of text to make it more vibrant and eye-catching. Select the text, click on Home tab, click on Font Color option, click on the desired color. The text appears in new color. To deselect the text, click outside the selected area. Saving your work. While working with WordPad, you must save your text in the computer for future use. Storage is the process of saving your work permanently in the storage device like hard disk. Click on File tab. Click on Save. The Save As dialog box will appear. In the file name text box, type a name for the file. Click on Save. The WordPad saves the file and the new file name appears on the title bar. The file extension for WordPad file is .rtf. Note: shortcut key for saving a document is Ctrl+S. Opening a saved file. You can open the already saved document to review or edit. To open the already saved document, follow the given steps. Click on File tab. Click on Open. The Open dialog box will appear. Click on the name of the file you want to open. Click on Open. The file opens in the WordPad window. Note: shortcut key for opening a document is Ctrl+O. Exiting the WordPad. You can exit from the WordPad program by following these steps. Click on File tab. The File menu will appear. Click on Exit. WordPad will be closed. Now you will see your desktop screen.